Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce chutney. Start by blanching 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, peeling and chopping them finely. Sweat 1 medium onion with 2 cloves minced garlic until translucent, then add chopped tomatoes. Simmer with 1/4 cup vinegar, 3 tablespoons sugar, and 1 tsp salt until thickened. Stir occasionally, adjust seasoning, and cool before storing in sterilized jars. Serve with bread or as a condiment for cheese platters. Keep flavors balanced by tasting as you cook and adjusting vinegar, sugar, and salt. Add spices like 1 tsp cumin, 1/2 tsp mustard seeds, or a pinch of red pepper flakes for heat. Cook low and slow until the mixture reaches a jammy consistency, about 45 minutes. For chunkier chutney, mash slightly with a fork. For smooth sauce, blend and simmer briefly. Cool label and refrigerate up to 2 weeks, or try variations by adding roasted peppers, mango, or caramelized onions to change sweetness and depth. Use brown sugar or honey instead of white sugar for richer flavor, and swap apple cider vinegar for a fruitier note. Pair tomato chutney with grilled meats, sandwiches, or cheese boards for bright contrast. To can, follow safe water bath canning guidelines and leave proper headspace. Enjoy small batches and share with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.